Hi everyone, and today I will catch the fish here and put here just to see the colors and to show you. I will catch with hand like this, alright? So I catch these babies here. You can see. Wow, look at this beautiful one here. So nice. Look at the colors. Just blue and pink. And also some red here. I'm catching with hand, you can see. Wow, nice. Look at these guys here. So nice. See, oh, some rotation here. Look at this. Wow, man. Oh, this is Gabi. Man. I'll catch more. You see here, right here, like this. The water is so. Yeah, this is the fish I want to show you now. Look at these beautiful ones here. Yeah. This is Aquarium. The water is not so good. Look at that now. Yeah. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe.